Rewarded Play is the easier starting point for beginners because you can earn points by playing participating mobile games, while Bingo Cash puts you into competitive bingo tournaments where cash games can require an entry fee. By the end, you'll know which app is easier to start, how each one pays, where the risks are, and which option makes more sense if you're completely new to reward apps. Start with Rewarded Play. The basic process is simple. Choose an eligible game, install or launch it through Rewarded Play, complete the qualifying activity, earn points, and redeem those points for available gift cards. Rewarded Play currently says it offers 150 mobile games and 40 gift card branch. Its website also says the platform has paid more than $40 to players since 2019. The company currently advertises a first $5 gift card within 48 hours, although the exact time depends on the games and offers available to your account. For a beginner, the biggest advantage is that you don't have to learn a competitive cash game before earning rewards. Now compare Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash is built around competitive bingo. Papaya Gaming lets eligible players enter cash tournaments and compete against other players based on their performance. You can play without paying by using free gems in eligible gems tournaments and the free roll tournament. Cash tournaments are different because they can involve an entry fee and real money prizes. That creates a bigger learning curve. You need to understand the bingo gameplay, tournament scoring, entry costs, prize pools, and withdrawal process before putting your own money into a cash competition. Bingo Cash also has eligibility restrictions. Papaya says cash tournaments are available only in permitted locations, and players must meet its age and eligibility requirements. Withdrawals have their own requirements too. Papaya says withdrawals have a minimum amount and can include a processing fee. Its support documentation says withdrawals are processed within 14 days, although players usually receive their funds within 2 business days. So which one is better for beginners? Rewarded Play wins for simplicity. You can start by playing qualifying mobile games and accumulating points without learning a competitive bingo system or paying a tournament entry. Bingo Cash makes more sense for beginners who specifically want competitive bingo and cash prize tournaments. You get more potential upside, but the experience is more complicated and carries more financial risk when entering paid tournaments. There's one practical rule for both apps. Don't assume that a higher advertised reward means better earnings. Check how much time the specific task takes and what you must complete before the reward qualifies. For Rewarded Play, check the current point offers and redemption options. For Bingo Cash, check the tournament entry fee, prize distribution, eligibility, and withdrawal terms before entering. The short verdict is a Rewarded Play for beginners, Bingo Cash for players specifically looking for competitive cash bingo. Like the video and subscribe for more reward app comparisons.